Hey, careful bro. I spent 3 lakhs on all the furniture and appliances. Your Papa's property here. 3 lakhs, sir. Bro, I've gotten all of this stuff for just 10k per month. क्या फूक क्या है अभी? Mysore mango. Come, let's go send one now. Later, bro. First to check out Rentomojo. You can get all of this stuff same to same. By the way, when do you think you'll be moving out from this place? I don't know. Maybe like 3 to 4 years. So that's like another 20 to 30k on relocation charge. Of course. Why? On Rentomojo it's free, huh? Yes, macha! 100% free! And that's not it. If there are any damages, no, Rentomojo will repair it for free. That's like saving another 5% on the cost. One free tip I'll give you, bro. Instead of putting this 3 lakhs in all this depreciating assets, no, you could have invested this in an index fund. And in 3 years, you could have gotten like 4.6 lakh rupees.
Which breaks even at 39 months of renting.
But I still don't own any products, no. Bro, why do you want to own when you can change your stuff every 3 years and upgrade to the latest style and adapt to the newest technology? For example, your fridge and all. It'll get old, no? Bro, I want dumb duck only. How to get started? The link is in my bio.